Well, good morning and thank you. Harmful and resistant pathogens have created an antibiotic-resistant crisis. The military and civil defense also have no solution for treatment of wounds exposed to chemical agents. Armis Biopharma has 3 revenue-ready products for infection-controlled and wound care, and a transformational technology that is under development. The challenge exists with the antimicrobial resistance becoming a global crisis. That's driven by the overuse of antibiotics and introduction of superbugs and new pathogens that we don't have a solution for, such as COVID-19. The World Health Organization and other organizations predict over 10 million deaths and $100 trillion of cost by 2050 associated with this challenge. So Armis has the 3 products ready to launch and one that is under development that are all powered by Veriox. Veriox is a potent single-stop that selectively breaches the wall of the cell to destroy all the contents in a safe and non-toxic way. The 3 products ready for revenue are Armagard, which is an oral appliance cleaner for retainers and sleep apnea devices. You spray it on, wait 3 minutes, and simply rinse it off, and it comes out bright and shiny and odor-free. ArmaCleanse is our surface cleaner for the clinical environment, for hospitals, doctors' offices, as you can imagine the amount of bad stuff that exists there. And then Vericin is a wound care wash to help accelerate the healing of wounds like diabetic foot ulcers, venous ulcers. Under development is Veriox Decon, a chemical and biologic warfare decontamination product. One of the forms that it will come in is like a 10 by 10 inch wipe that will wipe down the skin and wound after being exposed to chemical warfare. Those 4 products fit neatly into 4 market segments that all roll up to be a $14 billion worldwide addressable market. So that's the clinical surface disinfectant, the dental cleaning, wound care in humans and animals, and then our chemical warfare agent that's under development and supported by a $20 million contract from the Department of Defense, and the NIH has chipped in $2.3 million as well. So what makes Veriox so special? There are a couple of things. One is it's got a 6-log kill, which is 99.9999% kill, versus what is standard and what you see in your homes is a 3-log kill of 99.9%. It's got great range from MRSA to anthrax and fentanyl, also very safe and easy to use. The company has a great cadence of launch and over the next 4 years. This month, we have partnered with Vivos, a publicly traded company for oral devices, where they will be including Armagard, our oral cleaner, and recommend in every product they ship, and they also are selling our products on their website. We'll launch into the wound care market and then expand into government and launch our Veriox product as well. The company is managed by senior executives with over 150 years of experience, 5 exits, and worth $1 billion. Mike Voss and I have joined most recently as the company pivots to commercial, as Mike and I have significant commercial experience in large companies such as J&J and Boston Scientific, as well as we have commercialized in startup companies that have exited. My most recent exit was Carmel, taking over a $6 million value company out of Carnegie Mellon and listing it on NASDAQ last summer for $150 million. The revenue projections is $7 million this year, $50 million by 2027, at a 5 to 6x multiple of sales. That's a $250 to $300 million exit. The company's raised $60 million so far and has $3.5 million remaining on a $15 million convertible note to build out the commercialization. I invite you to invest, and we thank you and invite you to join us in the breakout room.